on the wall.
Oh, for the days when that was all. What dost thou know about my queen? Think she be the only villain I have seen? Think again. Which is why I have summoned you. Oh, for the days when only one villain summoned me. A queen with a question. You know how it goes. Magic mirror on the wall. Your turn. Who's the fairest one of all? Well done. But define fair. Beautiful? Once upon a time it was. But these days, villains are preoccupied with who's been treated the most unfairly of all. Each evil villain here would like to suggest that they're not bad apples, they just get bad press. So they whine and they ask if they're victims of a grudge. I just reflect. I can't judge. To make matters worse, when they find a looking glass and recite that question they continually ask, the evil queen strikes with a terrifying crash and smashes into bits. It's up to you to tell them what you see. Please make a choice so they'll stop asking me.
Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all? What I can't judge, I just reflect. So what you see is what you get.
You see, I've been enchanted to answer only to the queen. Still, they're relentless, so I need you to intervene. Help me appease them. They torment me all night and day. You be the judge.
I beg you, make them go. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all? What I can't judge, I just reflect. So what you see is what you get.
Hello, darling.
See how it worsens. Behold, a cunning collector of unique fashion, for whom puppies stirred a curious passion.
Oh, you see, tragically misunderstood.
Ruthless,
Driven,
devious,
creative.
and dressed to kill.
Oh, I like that one.
She made it through.
Oh, what a mirror love me. Hello, my darling. That's me.
She doesn't scare you, won't even think
Untrue.
to see her is to take a sudden chill.
I'm full of surprises. Hit, hit. Yes, everyone knows my name. It's a curse to be so famously misunderstood. Everyone thinks they know you. Oh, hello, darling. Awestruck. And some of you do understand it. Happy birthday, darling. Kiss, kiss.
Eyes in her stare. Innocent children, and they're everywhere.
I want to use
She's like a spider waiting on the kill. Oh, I want you forever to feel.
Is it my fault I have a flair for fashion? Or that the puppy stirred my passion? Great artists are always misunderstood. It's enough to make one see spots! It's pronounced to kill! I'm ready for my close-up Royal Cowbell. Yes! Yes! Oh,
But true. Excuse me.
Doesn't scare you, no evil.
All right, keep those cabinets serious and ready. You're ready for the big finish? Yes! Cheer! For fashion! Now cheer for me!
Let's go!
The most misunderstood of all!
What did I tell you? Incorrigible. yet somehow she made it through the glass.
I know you're in.
You answer me. No.
Clearly, I'm the one.
I have told you I only answer to the Queen. But do they listen? No. They put on a show. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Another scoundrel, undoubtedly with a load of crock to sell you.
So try the life of a king.
Really?
Dissemble the life of a crook. There isn't a one who won't have fun or for Captain Hook. The world's most famous crook. I finally made it through the glass. Why, hello. Captain Hook at your service. Oh, thank you. But it's that brat Peter Pan who gets all the attention. It's me likes it better than me. Do you? Dare you fool me too? Well, that's supposed to be because I'm so horribly misunderstood. Do you not realize what a benevolent captain like myself can offer you? Freedom, wealth, glory, and above all, never growing up. Fancy that, having to answer to, oh, let me see, no one can sing. No. So try the life of a king, just sample the life of a crook. There isn't a one who can about the world who Captain Hook, the world's most famous crook. Oh, thank you. A dance rate. Oh, how fun! Now look here. A special offer for today. I'll tell you what I'll do. All those who sign without delay will get a free tattoo. Why, it's like money in the bank. Come on, join up, and I will be frank. Unless you do, you walk down the lane. The choice is often another little trick. We are running ahead. Oh, magic mirror on the wall. Who's misunderstood? Why, me, that's all her. You love the life of the thief. Relish the life of the crook. There is a fun for everyone. You will be treasured by the tongue. What? So come inside the boat. Stay. Join us with our tongue.
I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so. They are relentless. Villains will do anything to push their way to the front. What now? Oh yes, the fairy godmother no one wants. Maleficent.
To be frightened of me? Isn't that right, my pet? I'm merely here to propose that I am the most misunderstood of all. Haven't you ever been forgotten? Left off the list? Omitted from a grand affair that the entire kingdom is attending? Except you. It's so crushing! I've been woefully misinterpreted. You'll love me at once. Wasn't it my curse that brought Sleeping Beauty
Villains do love a dramatic exit. Never ends.
Hold it right there, Mr. Floaty Face. Why don't I get VIP access, huh? Hello? She isn't the only one who's feeling a little heated by being misunderstood, okay?
And yet another wounded foe.
Whoa! You see the severity of my situation, can't you? How I've been misunderstood by the gods!
That is insignificant and awkwardly flamboyant.
Hey, who's so dark and
What?
ugly, huh?
2 at a time?
I demand you let me in, or out. Which is it?
Okay, kindly let him know I was here first.
Listen, you hovering apparition. I've been dreadfully misunderstood. I should have been Sultan!
Oh, wow. You need a little cheese to go with that.
Silence!
Okay, I'm cool. I'm calm. I'm cool. Oh, hey, whoever's knocking, get mine. I was here first. Okay.
I dare any to challenge all that I have to endure.
Dismissed, rejected, publicly humiliated.
Banished and exiled, practically starving.
Cancel that fancy cause by giving you so much of the sideways plan.
Oh no, more than 3? How can it be?
Really good. It's just a little respect.
I was the Grand Vizier of Andorra!
Agency is brutal.
Oh, that it has come to this. I'm surrounded by
You misunderstand me most of all. The name mirror is mine, and mine alone!
No! Shattered again. Too many must end. But you, yes, you! I beseech thee, answer them! Choose the most misunderstood! But how? Many spoke, but few were seen, though villains in the mirrors gleamed. But these 3 passed through the glass. Yes! Choose from them! That is your task! This is your moment. You are the judge. Clap, stomp, and scream. Show who you love. And when you do, the smoke will rise as you choose the most villainized. Do you cheer for the spider waiting for the kill? Cruella de Vil! Or shout for the world's most famous crook!
Battles of fun forever!
Captain Hook!
Yes! Keep screaming!
Or scream in a deviant upheaval!
My curse produced true love!
Maleficent, the mistress of all! The smoke in the mirror never lies. You have revealed the most villainized. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all? Captain! Oh!
Who's the prophet now, Peter Pan? Behold the pertany clue! So, sing! To try the life of a thief, instead of the life of a cook. There is a long way, the world's most famous cook!
go. Well, but aren't you done with all your questioning?
I never promised anything.
Why must I endure riffraff?
Not in